Excuse me, sir. Sir, how did you get rich?
Well, listen, have you heard about McDonald's?
McDonald's?
Yes.
Yes.
Listen, Big Macs,
Yeah.
quarter pounders, fresh beef.
Yes, but did you work at McDonald's?
You're damn right. I'm a McDonald's franchisee.
So you own McDonald's?
Yes, sir.
How many McDonald's do you own?
28.
28?
You want me to say it again? 28.
You own 28 McDonald's?
Yes, sir.
Did you come from a lot of money?
No, I did not. I'm an immigrant. I'm Jamaican. And I got a chance to live the American dream. That's how rich I became.
You didn't come from money. How'd you get the money to buy your first restaurant?
Listen, I'm a hustler. And McDonald's has created opportunities that the average franchisor cannot.
The average franchisee, though, they may only have a couple locations.
Yeah.
28 McDonald's restaurants.
Hey, I've been lucky.
But beyond that, though, it was way more than just luck, man.
When I'm hungry every day. My word for 2026 is one word: growth. Because when you're growing, nobody can stop you. When you're ripe, you're rotten. And I'm green.
The day you stop growing is the day you begin to die on the vine.
I use a term: the day you become satisfied, that's the day you'll become unsuccessful.
How old are you now?
Now listen, I'm 64, but I feel like I'm 25. Yeah.
And you never got comfortable.
Never. As a matter of fact, I told them today, when this new year started, I had 365 opportunities to attract more success.
Every day is an opportunity.
And every day is an opportunity.
You're the top 1%. What are you investing in?
You know, I like real estate. McDonald's is a real estate company, and it worked for McDonald's, it can work for me. McDonald's is my franchisor, I'm a franchisee.
With each of these McDonald's, do you have an LLC?
You have to, I mean, you know that.
I used a company called Busy for all my companies. How important is the entity structure when you're building the company?
Well, I'll tell you, that's what LLC means, a limited liability company. You got to limit the liability and strengthen the success.
People think that it's so hard, it's impossible to start a business. But what the company that I use, Busy, does is it literally helps you set the business up in 10 minutes. It's not days and months like people think it is.
Efficiency is important. And you know, the great thing is, Devin, actually, come over here a second, please. Let me tell you what the best part of this concept is. My daughter went to University of Miami, went on her own, and she's now a franchisee in this business. She named the entity Dash Legacy. Win this together.
Do you believe in God?
I love God.
How did you know God was real?
Oh, listen, I'll tell you how I know God was real. I was raised a Catholic, but when I look around me and my success, my luck, somebody's looking out for me. That's when I knew God was real.